This beautiful GS 150 Mark V is owned by one of my best mates, Mark Lecornu. My right-hand man in the workshop, as many of you guys who have visited here would know, and the godfather of my son rider, Wolf. Mark purchased this scooter many years ago, again as a basket case, but with the dream of restoring it and turning it into what we call a wildcat style of liverage, which again was started by our friend Eddie Grimstead. Back when we started the restoration, there weren't too many GS parts available aftermarket or new. They were scarce and very thin on the ground. So we carefully itemised everything that we needed for the restoration process. Through parts handbooks, through serial numbers, we managed to find most pieces that were required. We finished the scooter off ready for the Australian National Scooter Rally in Sydney, where the scooter first got ridden around. It then decided to rebuild the whole entire scooter and turn it into a touring machine. At the same time, an event in Australia was called the Australian Scooter Miele. The Australian Scooter Miele is a 2-day time trial event where we basically ride for 500 kilometres per day with no GPS, with only maps that we've prepared and with only the tools and parts that we're carrying. This is a great challenge for these two-wheel 10-inch little machines. So the task was given to all of us to get our machines up and running and going to be able to complete this event within the parameters of daylight, so we weren't riding around at night too much. So Mark decided to get this beast of a machine running and going. She's now completed 3 events successfully. He's built Mark 3s, 4s and 5s. And I call Mark Lecornu probably Australia's premier GS 150 specialists. And it's a privilege and honour to have him as not only as my right-hand man, but as my best mate.